English with 25 sentences daily. Follow for daily practice. Let's grow together. I wake up early. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I drink coffee. I meet my friends. I arrange my books. I make my bed. I start my work. I watch TV. I talk with my family. I finish my work. I return home. I go to sleep. I write notes. I check my phone. I help others. I go outside. I walk, exercise. I go to work. I use the computer. I take rest. I feel happy. I clean my room. Practice these 25 sentences daily. Speak confidently. Keep learning English. See you next time. Like and subscribe, share English Learning Channel.